Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to disable startup programs in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Right-click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Now go to the Startup tab. You'll see a list of programs that automatically start when your PC turns on. To disable a program, click on it, then hit the Disable button in the bottom right corner. That's it. This helps your PC boot faster and saves system resources. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Windows tips.